Good morning, class 7. Today we will start with the climate and natural vegetation of Africa. Being a largest continent, it can be divided into several climatic regions. Each part have its own varieties of vegetation and animals. So let's start. Starting from the equatorial type of climate, this type of climate is found in the lowland on either side of the equator. In the Congo Basin, the coastal region that is around the Gulf of Guiana and the coastal of Kenya. Here the temperature is high up to 27 degrees centigrade throughout the year, and it have heavy rainfall from 200 to 250 degrees centimeter, not degree, 250 centimeter. There is high humidity throughout the year and no clearly marked monsoon can be found here. Here there is convectional rain. As it is in the equatorial region, instant heating of the land surfaces causes rainfall. During the day the evaporation is happening very a lot, and by the afternoon when it starts cooling, then the water vapor condenses and it falls as rain. So this rain occurs at 4 o'clock. So this is known as 4 o'clock shower. Now, the vegetation of this region is hardwood broadleaves. Although the trees are deciduous, the rainforest has an evergreen appearance as the continuous growing season, because here different species of trees are found and all the species doesn't shade their leaves together. They shades according to their time. And due to abundant rainfall and sunshine, it is also known as equatorial rainforest. A wide variety of species can be found here like ebony, mahogany and rosewood. There grows different here. The trees are of different height. You can see trees are of different height. The trees that are found that the topmost layer is known as emigrant, and they are giant trees and they make it dense. Below it is the canopy type, which gives the shape of a mushroom. Here the trees in there receives a lot of rainfall and sunlight. The second layer, canopy layer, they are broad, irregular, and as the crown of these trees they form a tight continuous canopy. As they are closer to each other, they grow bigger, they come in contact and they form a canopy or umbrella type. They are irregular, broad. They are 20 to 30 centimeter above the ground, and the branches, they are covered densely. They are tied up with each other. The third layer is the understory, which receives very little sunlight, and it remains in dark because this forms a canopy and they do not allow sunlight to enter. As there is very little sunlight here, the growth of the plants are very less. At the down, there's young shrub trees, creepers, ferns and orchids. They do not grow very nicely. And the leaves which are falling from these trees, they are decomposing here only because of less sunlight. The growth of the plant, that's why, becomes poorer here, and so this area becomes dense and gloomy. Now the hardwood of these trees are valuable for making furniture, as the wood is heavy, but the trees are difficult to exploit as they do not grow in pure stands. Mangroves and plants are also found in these marshy areas along the riverside. The portion which is in the riverside, there we can find mangrove trees and plum trees. The wildlife in this area is here elephants can be found, wild cats are found, even different trees dwelling. The animals that dwell in trees, that lives in trees, are found. Different types of birds like parakeets are found. Reptiles like crocodile, snake are found in the dense ground floor. Leeches are found in abundance. I am keeping this only.